my dancers. Today we are going to do a dance about rainbows. Who of you have seen a rainbow? I saw a rainbow the last time it rained and then the sun came out. It was so beautiful. So today we're going to be doing dances about rainbows. And let's just be sure that we have everything we need for our class today. So because it's a rainbow, we need all the different colors of a rainbow. Here we have lots of different red clothes. So if you have something red at home, you're going to get that for me. And then next we're going to have something yellow, anything yellow, or gold. I've got gold here too. Then we've got pink. And as you can see, I made a beautiful lollipop for our pink dance. And I'll make sure I tell Mom how to make this. Then we've got green, beautiful green things and flowers. Then we've got some really funky purple things. That'll be fun. And some bright orange things. And lastly, we need some beautiful blue stuff. So if you want to dress up with me, you can get lots of different colorful things from your closet. Or you can just wear something that's got a rainbow on it. That'll work as well. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Teacher Kim. I'm a dance teacher in Johannesburg, South Africa.